Hit him in the balls. Hit him in the balls, please. Zach, please stand closer.
You do, you're dead. You're fucking dead. You don't want to.
I got all. I got it all. I got it all filmed.
Yeah.
I got it all filmed.
Y'all both don't
quit.
Here.
Well, I told Zach not to hit Moss in the face, and of course Zach hits.
Shit.
Are you in the fucking face again?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit you in the face again. You want me
in the
to?
fucking head.
Yeah, you want to right now? Yeah, I'll hit you in the fucking face.
Get them to stop it, I will.
What? I feel bad. I feel bad right now.
Zach, you ruined a pair of my shorts last year.
Fucking kidding me, Garza.
What are you gonna
Oh.
Big mistake.
You wanna let go right now? Let go.
Let him hit him once.
Oh.
Alright, that's it. You got one good solid. That was a good solid.
No, good.
Round
That was a good solid. That was a good
Oh,
solid.
dude, it's
Zach, you chill. That was a good solid.
You wouldn't do shit.
Zach, I'm trying to break it up so you don't beat the fuck out of you, dumb piece of shit.
Okay, A, Drake, you wouldn't do shit. B,
A, I would. B, stand up and talk shit again. He would have kicked the fuck out of you, Zach. See?
Get him.
What are you trying to do, Zach?
What the fuck are you doing?
Huh? What, I want to shit? I'll beat
are
the
you
fuck
doing,
out of you.
Zach? What were your? What did you say? I don't want to fight anybody, and I don't want to pass out early. You just got your ass beat by 2 people, and you pass out
I'll
early.
kill you any fucking day, Zach. I was trying to save you, so you want
Zach,
you want to do it again, Zach? You really want me to do it?
Make that 3 people now.
Huh? You want me to do it again? You
Hey
piece
Zach,
of shit?
Zach, say hello to Facebook.
Zach, chill, dog. Zach,
Fuck out!
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
You're just
I
trying to
was
sleep.
trying to stop you.
Yeah, right.
Say hello to the camera.
Well, try to beat my ass again. I'll ruin another pair of Mason's fucking sheets and another pair of my shorts.
You're cute.
alright, why are you trying to
I'm trying to help you!
Zach, best 2 minutes, 13,
Yeah, both
14,
faggots off.
15, 16 seconds of my life.
Fuck up.
Zach, I was trying to help you before you started.
Zach, if you
shooting,
spin
Zach.
up.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yo.